Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send email attachments to WhatsApp. So this here is an integration between Gmail and WhatsApp which will help you to send the email attachments on WhatsApp automatically. So let's go ahead with the process. Trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically here to capture our emails in Pabbly Connect, we are going to use this feature named as email parser. It will help us to capture the email in Pabbly Connect and then we can use it for further automation like as we want to send the attachment on WhatsApp. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a mail on my Gmail account, then the attachment received in the mail, I want to share it on WhatsApp as well. So now to do this, let's integrate and automate with Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the process, this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send email attachments to WhatsApp, and on my left hand side you can see these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as WhatsApp, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send email attachments to WhatsApp. Here in Pabbly Connect, I will go to my trigger window, and as I want to fetch the emails over here in Pabbly Connect, so I am going to use email parser. Here it is. So now moving to the action window, as I want to send the email attachments on WhatsApp, so here I am going to use Wati to send this. And the action event will be to send template message. So here as you can see, I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new email with an attachment, then I want to share the same attachment on WhatsApp. So now to do this, I'm going to integrate both of these applications with each other. So moving to my trigger application, that is email parser. So here this is a mail hook given which will help us to fetch the emails over here in Pabbly Connect. So now let me take you ahead. I'm going to take you to my Gmail account, and over here I will go to settings. I will go to see all settings. And here I will go to forwarding and POP/IMAP. And over here, I'm going to add a forwarding address that is given to me in Pabbly Connect. So here from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy it. And over here in my Gmail account, I'm going to paste it. And now here, I'm going to click on next. So now here, I'm going to click on proceed. And here it says a confirmation link has been sent to this mail hook to verify permission. So I'm going to get this verification link in Pabbly Connect, going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to scroll down to the body text. So here in this body text, this here is the link given. So I'm going to copy the same, and then in a new tab, I'm going to paste it. So over here it says, please confirm forwarding mail of this email ID to this mail hook. So here I'm going to click on confirm, and now here is the confirmation success. But before that, again, I will go back to my Gmail account, and here I'm going to refresh it. And now over here, I'm going to click on this forward a copy of incoming mail to. Once this is done, here I'm going to click on save changes. So that means now whenever I'm going to receive a new mail on this Gmail ID, then automatically that mail will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this recapture email parser response in order to receive a new response. So now over here, this is a email which I want to send on my Gmail account. So this is the body content. So here I am assuming that I receive a lot of email regarding job application. So over here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new job application email and then I want to send this attachment to the HR of my company. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new mail regarding any job application, then I want to send the resume that is sent as an attachment to the HR of my company. So now I'm going to add my Gmail account and then I'm going to send this email. So here you can see that I have received a new email. So over here I'm going to open this. You can see this here is the body content and over here this is the attachment. So here the resume has been sent as the attachment. So now here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that here I have received a new response. So over here in this response, I would have got the details of the email which I have just received. So here you can see that this here is the body content. I'm going to scroll down and this here is the attachment of the resume that was sent in the mail. So over here in Pabbly Connect, the recent email which I've just received is successfully captured. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new email on my Gmail account, then automatically that email is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as over here in Pabbly Connect, I have fetched the email details. So now my objective is that I want to send the attachment received in email on WhatsApp. So now to do that, here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using Vati. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now I'm going to establish a new connection. So now I need to mention an API endpoint and an access token. So here in Vati, I will go to API docs. Here is the access token. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste the same in Pabbly Connect. Again, going back to Vati, I'm going to copy the API endpoint and then here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention the same. So once I have mentioned the API endpoint and the access token, I'm going to click on save. So here you can see Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now here moving to this WhatsApp number, here I need to mention the WhatsApp number to whom I want to send this email attachment on WhatsApp. So over here, let's say that I want to send this attachment that I've received on email to my HR. So here as of now, I'm going to mention a dummy phone number. So I'm mentioning a dummy phone number right now. So I've mentioned the dummy phone number, but when I'm going to click on save and send test request in this workflow, I'm going to replace this dummy number with the actual one to show you guys that on WhatsApp, the PDF that was sent as an attachment in email has been shared as a WhatsApp message as well. So as of now, I'm going with the dummy number. So now moving to the template part. So here in Vati, I'm going to take you to templates. And this here is a template that I've created by the name of resume. So this here is the sample PDF I've added. So here the template name is resume, the category is utility, the language is English US, and in our broadcast title we have selected media. So over here that is document. So over here this is the body content. So it goes as dear HR, we have received a new resume on mail. Kindly go through the details attached in this message to connect with the job applicant. Reach out to him or her on this mail ID. Thanks. So now over here, I have mentioned these details and this here, the values that I've mentioned in curly bracket are custom parameters. That means they will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So now what I'm going to do is, as I have already created a template, so the name of my template is resume and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the template as resume. So now moving to broadcast name. So as in Vati, we have mentioned the broadcast title as media, which is a document. So we cannot leave this field blank. So here I'm going to mention the broadcast name as ABC. So now going to the custom parameter. So as I've mentioned it very clearly that Over here, the values which I've mentioned in curly bracket is a custom parameter. That means they will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So here, as in the template, we have used two custom parameters. So I'm going to copy the format from this example, and over here after name, as the first variable stands for resume, so it stands for a document, so I'm going to mention it. So now here in the value, I'm going to map the attachment link that I have received in the response. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here I have mapped the attachment link. So here the second parameter stands for the email, and now over here in value, I'm going to map the email of the sender. So here I have mapped the details. This method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now, as I've mentioned that this here is a dummy WhatsApp number, so here I'm going to map the actual number, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message that would have been sent. So this here is the WhatsApp message. This here is the PDF that was sent on email is successfully sent over here in this WhatsApp message as well. So it goes as Dear HR. This here is the body content, and over here you can see that this here is the mail ID of the person who has sent us the mail, and over here it ends with thanks. So that means the attachment which we received in email is successfully sent in a WhatsApp message as well. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new email attachment will be received on our Gmail account, then automatically that email attachment will be sent on WhatsApp as well.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.